Not that one on top.
So, huh?
Not that one, just halfway.
This is how we do it. This is how we get the work done. Huh, Hoshi?
Oh, yeah?
We got 23 units that we gotta go pack, load each unit with furnaces and coils. Let's go.
Hey! Us! Yeah!
So we gotta load every furnace and coil, all the grills and furnace box and all the sheet metal we need in each unit. So it's gonna be a late night prepping for tomorrow. Yeah, boy. We got 3 left. Let's go third floor. Husky! Do you need help?
I'm thinking you're talking to somebody.
Hey.
So I think let him know.
Second load ready. Let's go. Johnny. Hey, third load. This guy's just watching us. Ay, ay, ay. What's kitty?
No, we got it.
Hey, Johnny, how you feel?
Boy, you know.
Got the whole second floor laid out. Every single piece that each unit needs. The part panel covers, thermostat, safety, drain hitch. Yeah, boy. What's kitty? Just got done loading everything on each floor. Now we're loading each unit with every supply that we need. Hey, Hoshi, how you doing?
Don't talk to me right now.
Okay. He's not doing okay. All done. Organized everything to where they need, such as Pookie, 90s, 3/4, 2-inch, more grills. That's it for the night. We out.